How to get YouTube Premium 3 months free trial. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Getting YouTube Premium 3 months free trial gives you access to features like ad-free videos, background play and YouTube music all for free for 3 months. So to get that, you need to launch YouTube application first of all and make sure that you sign in or log in to your YouTube account. Proceed by tapping profile icon at bottom right. Now you need to simply tap on Get YouTube Premium from this section. And after that you will land on this interface. Now on this subscription page you will see get 3 months free trial or simply 1 month for $0 that is for free. You need to make sure to choose this option and then confirm the terms. To activate the trial you can enter a valid credit or debit card or link a PayPal account. Don't worry, you won't be charged during the trial period. Once your payment is added, you will see a confirmation message saying your 3 months free trial has started. And from this way, you can easily get YouTube Premium 3 months free trial. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.